if you book online, you will find exactly the point, the nearest.
So between the Second World War, we can see characters here on the right and on the left below the road. These trees produce beans, and when they
Olive oil we bottle and we sell. These trees that you see in this yard belongs to Terra Creta.
gave with another village